Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering Pharmathene, aka Pip, and I'm going to discuss why I believe the Pip popped. And share the video if you want some other people to see it, and check it out if you ended up liking the video. As you can see here, it went from 3.25 all the way down to 49 cents, and the people not following are probably totally confused, but of course, the reasoning for this was the special dividend. Special dividend here, as you can see, was a $2.91 special dividend payable on February 3rd, 2017, with 98% of the after-tax net cash proceeds received from SIGA. And of course, that's a big sum, and that's a big special dividend here. So, I mean, the reason why it dipped is pretty common sense. The dividend paid out, and the dip went down. Of course, something to factor in here, though, is the key word damages. Now, damages is all over this here. And of course, you factor that into the value of the company, and this is something somewhat separate from the value. So you don't really want to count that against the stock, and a lot of people have kind of been pushing it up. As you could see in the chart I showed you guys previously, that it's been going up and up and up. But I'll bring it back here for you guys really quick. And as you can see, it was 49 cents, and then it's all the way back up to $1.37. I believe it's going to run to $2 or more. It should be a continued trend up, and I'm going to go in a little bit more detail on that. In regards to the lockup agreement, in its shortest definition, as you can see here, a lockup agreement is a legally binding contract between the underwriters and insiders of a company, prohibiting these individuals from selling any shares of stock for a specified period of time, oftentimes so the stock price doesn't fluctuate too much and the company stays rather stable. Now, this is both a good and a bad thing, of course. Being locked up with shares, some of them might want to buy even more shares for that factor, and the reason why is so that they could boost the equity just in case the stock or the company starts to crash, and they'd want to maybe match that potential crash value. And keeping that in mind, the stock can go $2, $3, or even more, because no one quite knows how the merger is going to truly affect the company. From overall looking at the SEC filings and everything, it looks like it's going to be positive, but of course, no one knows for sure. Make sure to, as I said earlier, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you want more updates like this and you want to learn more about Pharmathene or other companies, and get in early. As you can see from some of the other videos, I did cover this previously with a potential pop, and I have covered other videos, so it's good to look into. Thanks for listening in. Make sure to leave comments below if you have your own opinions on why you think Pharmathene popped. I'm no professional broker by any means, so take my advice and input with a grain of salt. Have a nice day.